Welcome back to the channel. Now this time I'll stay closer to the camera so you can hear me well. I'm going to face the camera instead of the action. Thank you, Reg, for that suggestion. The project today is including those racks beams. I have the rackings up there, the beam here, and the small supports. I'm going to keep the black one for inside. I do target to assemble two racks side by side at the very far back of the hangar. But the project today is to assemble at least two sections here next to the hangar outside. The goal for that is the quest for room. I've got too much stuff basically, and yeah, 32 by 48 hangar is not big enough for my needs. Yeah, that happens. Stick around, I show you how I do that. Okay, this is the spot where I did put gravel last week. I'm assuming there's sand beneath because when I did remove the sods, it was already sand. I just don't know how much deep of sand I get. So far, I haven't seen much frost heaves. So I mean the ground going up and down as it freezes and thaw. By the way, I don't have any, it's not compacted yet, so I'm going to go by the old method, pounding the ground. And by the way, that's not a building here, it's racking. Worst case, it can happen, start leaning and falling on me, so what's the big deal? I might give it attention before it falls on me, so I get some clue before. I know I have at least one viewer that is against this project, which is Dave, which doesn't believe in the strength of those rackings. Yeah, against your will, I'm going to build that racking anyways. By the way, this is my favorite level for such project. It says industrial quality, and for those that knows this brand Chateau, that's brand from the dollar store. Anyways, the idea about this one is whatever happened with that, I'm not worried about getting it wrong. Worst case is I'm going to invest another $2. Is it accurate? One very easy way to see if a level is accurate by yourself. I show you that. Okay, that's perfectly level there. Yes, almost. Now, this bubble is perfectly in the middle. How can you tell this level is accurate? Does it still show the same? If yes, it's accurate. Now you see it doesn't show exactly the same. So I'm maybe 1/32 higher here. So Okay, this is what we get so far. I've used the beams for the spacing. Everything is being level. I should get a good access. I should not be bothered by this shed. I might just have some problem clearing the snow in that corner. But this shed has to go sometime. When this shed goes off, it's going to be a lean-to to that hangar. Don't tell my wife, she's not aware yet. What comes next is to take the racks up there, bring them with the case up to here. I'm going to cut them in half, and I'm going to look if I can reuse at least one of them to put plates at the bottom. Or maybe what I'll do is just simply save the extra piece of framing and might be doing a roof on top of it. That's an idea. Stick around. If you wonder if the yellow stripe has anything to do with Dave, the answer is yes. That's a souvenir. Good souvenir, by the way. Everything is marked. I'm going to cut this. So I did cut the legs. I did weld back the supports. For the next part, I'll have to raise those ladders, let's say so, put the beams. So I need an expert to do that. So let's welcome the expert, Nicolas. That's Nick, my son. He's used to do that. We did that a year and so ago.
Couple months.
Couple months. Was in 2020.
Yeah, a year and like 2 months.
Yeah. To proceed, I guess that will raise one leg, put the beams, and maybe do the same on the other side. Well, this is it for now. I'll leave the top part free for now because I'm thinking about what I could do to make a roof if ever I do it. I put the bottom beams because I want the implements to be raised from the ground, and I want to make sure that whatever I put on the top shelf or not, that at least if I have something in the lower level, it's going to hold the whole rack in place if there's any winds or so. Will help to stabilize the racking. Usually we put anchors in the concrete. There's no concrete, so I need to have some kind of anchorage. So the weight or the ballast at the bottom will be doing the trick. That's it for now. Now, time to screw that on the beams. So thank you, Nick, for helping me. That's the kind of job that you don't do alone. So thank you.
No problem.
And I let you go. You're free to go.
Keep my car.
Okay, this is the end result for now. Again, on top, I'll see later if I do put the roof there. I've put the safety grill, so they only put on top. And for each and every legs, I've secured with lag screw on the 6x6, treated 6x6, and underneath the wooden blocks, which are 36 inches ish. So again, this is the result, and I'm going to start filling it. Well, this is it for now. I'll put the last two implements, which would be the I have a rake. Oh, I didn't show you that, eh? I do have a rake now, a 7-foot rake, and I'm going to put the also the blade. Hope you enjoyed this project. See you on the next one.